hindi pa na po pwede na we just stop Na wala kang gagawin Oo So, kasi I've been working since I was young So, yung magigising ka ba, yung bang... parang walang saysay, alam mo yon. Navotas, that's my hometown. Before kasi we love Baguio That's why the house was built by my mom and my dad Sila nagpagawa. So bakasyon na namin. Since I was the youngest, they left it to me, which I feel good about kasi mahilig ako dito This is the old kitchen. That used to be a bedroom for yung mga ate. But I converted it to lagyan ng gamit. Tapos ito lalagyan ng kung ano-ano dati. I used that as my pantry. So sabi ko, what if I put, a few table? Siguro about good for 15. Since gusto ko dito kasi wala akong rent, ayoko ng stress, tapos na ako sa stress Tapos kinuha ko yung caretaker ko. So tinuruan ko. Kaming dalawa. We started it, kaming dalawa. So luto mo, serve mo. Wala kaming server, kaming dalawa. Meron kaming dishwasher. So nakakaya namin until when we opened, after about 6 months, hindi namin kaya. 3 months into the operation, dumadami na Kaya mo nga, boy. Isama mo na yung fries, sige. Ang nanay ko kasi, tinuturuan niya ako magluto. Yung typical, simple lang. So, mga anak ko naman, mahilig kumain. So, after a travel, I'd cook kung ano yung natikman ko for them to try. I got several ideas every time bababa ko sa Manila. May naka-line up na pupuntahan So, I get ideas which I like. Ito garlic oil mo, boy. I was in the international shipping industry So, I get to travel a lot on business trips, on foreign meetings. When I go to a place, like for example, I'll go to Northern Europe, yung mga kasama ko in the industry will have meetings Alam nila yung kainan na hindi alam ng mga turista. Ako kasi, I tend to remember the taste Once I tasted that, I would know, not exactly everything, but I would know what went into that The love that goes into the food, it comes out in the taste I never realized that. So I guess it must be true. I wanted Marianitos kasi uso noon yung mga pangalan Ako Marianitos. Sabi ko sa anak ko, nakakuha na ako, approve akong DTI, Marianitos. Sabi sa akin, parang awa mo na. Ibahin mo pangalan. Walang pupunta sa'yo, ang pangit ng pangalan. Iniisip ko nung una, Mountain Cookhouse. Kaya lang, hindi ako ma-approve sa Mountain kasi marami na dito There has to be a prefix. Dito, nag-iisip ako, nakita ko Foggy. Foggy Mountain Cookhouse. May pagka-OC kasi ako Sabi ko, since I opened this up, I'd like people to get their money's worth. If it's below par, ayoko. Ayoko kasi nung madalian, kasi unang-una, ang kalaban ng restaurant yung madaming kumain tapos madalian So, the quality goes down. Ayoko nun. Hindi ako culinary graduate So, I mean, at that time, we have to prepare it ng matagalan. At saka, it has to be good. Some of them would have to be seasoned the day before. Ayun, we started and then, several vloggers came over. Hindi ko naman alam na vlogger sila. And then they made a write-up hanggang kumalat ng kumalat. And then we were featured into several TV stations. By word of mouth, it was the perfect storm. Nagdatingan na. Totally unexpected. Totally unexpected. It's all by God's grace. Minsan it takes time So ako, I give it about 3-4 days. Kaya sabi ko, this is my happy place. And I'll keep on doing it as long as I can. Hanggat kaya ko. Kasi na-enjoy ko